What's up, everyone? Today's wine text is the 2017 Me You Tempranillo from Ribera del Duero. So in the past, we've done other Ribera del Dueros, and a lot of times I tell you, this is one of the best regions for Tempranillo. Not only that, is one of the most collectible regions for red wine in all of Spain. This one, though, I think is a little bit more approachable and a little bit more fun and a little bit more exciting when it comes to just being able to pop a red bottle of wine that you can be confident that it's good, bring it anywhere you want, maybe a gathering with friends, or just have a glass of wine, at the end of the day, maybe with dinner. This is an unbelievably great example of a pop and pour style Tempranillo from a region that doesn't necessarily have that style of wine as something that you see very often. So this is a pretty cool project, made kind of on a larger scale, but really built to be approachable, easy drinking, and just a great style red wine for you to have on pretty much an everyday basis. So expected, I think, on this wine. I haven't tasted it yet. But lots of bright fruits. I don't think there's a massive oak influence here, which a lot of times I think Tempranillos get. So it's a really good expression of just fresh Tempranillo made in a very young, youthful style. So right off the front, the first thing I think of is very high floral notes. A lot of kind of rose petals, these red flowers coming through. There's definitely a little bit of almost like a plummy, kind of fresh plum, and definitely a dark cherry thing going on. As I expected, not a lot of oak influence. I know this wine definitely spends time in oak, probably some neutral oak, something that really doesn't affect the wine, but kind of not necessarily hidden, but definitely on the back end of it is a little bit of savoriness from the oak.
The holidays are a time to let friends and family know how much you care. And sending a Hallmark holiday card is a sweet
Again, Tempranillo, fuller body red wine, but I think in this style, much more lush, way more of the acidity natural from the grape, just because it's not spending a lot of time in oak. And really great stuff. I think this is like one of the most approachable Spanish wines we've done for a very young, kind of just kicking fruit right up front. It pretty much will go with anything. I don't think this would, overwhelm, a fish dish like other Tempranillos we've done. And I think it holds up to some meats as well. Just really great, approachable red wine. Delicious, pop and pour. Not really something you want to hold on to a long time. Just a really great everyday drinking red wine. Enjoy.